This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, that is why I'll take a new session, new topic, and I will put it in the background.
Okay, fine.
It just got a bit disturbed because of this thing. So a couple of things I want to show you with JavaScript part. So let me show it to you. Let me open up the script. Actually, the calendar thing I have to first validate in Eclipse with Java, and then implement with Java. Katalon Studio. Katalon Studio, it uses the Eclipse as the background, definitely, but doesn't give you all the facilities of Eclipse. I will show you when I do it in the background after I solve it out. I'll show you what I have done and then put it in your Katalon. Let's close this. Okay, let me also open up this particular thing. Because I need the JavaScripts to work upon. Okay, let me try to do a simple thing out here. I'm going to basically show you the Redis mail application, but I'll do the whole thing with your JavaScript. So I will basically type in with JavaScript executor. So I will type in username and password, and then I'll click on go button with JavaScript. And after that, if I'm in the inbox page, I will create an alert with JavaScript. You can create alerts with JavaScript. After that, I can actually get the URL of this particular page with JavaScript. This is the URL. I'll get the title. If you hover your mouse over the tab, you will get the title. This is also possible with JavaScript. And then you click on the logout with JavaScript again. And then navigate to a different page. That is what we can do. So let me try showing it to you. I'll create a couple of I need to see first what is available for JavaScript first. Load JavaScript. Okay, let me write down JavaScript. Execute JavaScript. This is what is present. And when I use this, I have to use the script, a list of arguments, etc. Okay, fine. I'll do with this only execute JavaScript. Okay, let's basically use and call this folder as Redis mail JavaScript executor. This is important for you to understand because of the fact that sometimes you will see none of the locating strategies are not working. XPath, CSS selector, ID, class, name, they're not working. And you can then implement the JavaScript executor interface, which is a very powerful interface to fire your JavaScript commands. And JavaScript commands by whole are very, very, very powerful commands. It can basically be used for not only automation, it can be used for doing hacking. Plus, it can be used for networking purpose and to manage the process of your computer. So it is a very, very powerful thing. So I'll call this subfolder as JavaScript executor. Okay, let's create the test case. I'll call this as a rediff mail test case only. Functional test case. Okay, a couple of things which are important is have to open the browser. So let's add up to open the browser. I'll not get the URL out here. Then maximize the window and then I will navigate to the URL specified, and this is the URL that I want to go to. This URL. And then I can have a processor wait for page to load. Give there is a global variable which gives time seconds. We have defined it out here. If you remember, this is where you have defined the global variable 20 seconds delay you have given. Generally, it is used for explicit wait, but I can use it anywhere because it's a global variable right now. Okay. And then I will give wait for the element to be present. Element to be visible, not visible, only visible. And for that, you have to give the create the object. I'll create the object, not make my trip, new folder. I'll call this a JavaScript folder to be on a safer side, and this will have a landing page. Edit mail, and I'll create new test object. I'll call this as username, right? This one. That is also go button. That's what I was thinking. Wait for this to be visible, and I can go to JavaScript line. Visibility can be for 10 seconds, not more than that. Okay, I'll he use it, execute JavaScript. And I have to give the JavaScript right now. Okay, what is the JavaScript used to click? Now, if you look at this particular thing, this has a username has a ID attribute. Value is login one. So I can use this particular method. It's called as um, document.getElement by ID login one dot value method. The whole thing I'm copying it out. So the method that I'm using is very easy to understand. I'm showing it out here. Document is a class. It has a method called getElement by ID, and this is the ID value login one and not value. What value you want to put within single quotes you can put it, and then colon semicolon within double quotes you can see it is coming. This is the argument. Okay, list of arguments. Now this is the first argument. This is the list of arguments. This list of arguments is the second argument. Okay, you can convert it to a string and all else if it is there. Only list is there. Okay, so this will basically type there. After that we'll have a delay. Let's have a delay of 3 seconds, not more than that. And after that, if you look at the password also has a edit box, edit button, edit attribute. It is equal to password. The same thing I'm going to use. Okay, I'll just use execute JavaScript and go and paste it out here. The only thing is that the password, the ID value is password, and the value of the password here to define it out here. Value of the password is test at the rate 1234. Okay, and then add a delay again. Okay, before execute the JavaScript, then we have a delay, and I think I should put wait for the element. So add insert before web UI, wait for the element to be visible, and this element is the password, and the password object repository is out here, and wait for not more than 10 seconds enough, and then execute the JavaScript and then have a delay. Then again wait for element to be visible. Which element to be visible? The element will be your go button. Let's not wait for more than 10 seconds out here. And then execute JavaScript. Now we have to click in the go button. For clicking, the address has to be given. You have to use this command dot click and the address button. I'll copy this. And the first command is this fine dot click. Where do you want to click? Insert value type as string. Okay. You want to click. Okay. So what I need to do is that I will delete it right now. Why I'm deleting it, I'll show you. I'll define it later on. I'll go to a default and create a add a string type name as Address of Go. Value, I'll describe it out here. And the value will be nothing but you can get the address of the Go button. XPath, you can keep it out here. Absolute expert. This is the address of Go button. 1 minute. Now this address I will utilize it out here. Argument is already given. I have to give the address, insert string. The value will be this will be a global variable, and the variable is address of Go. Insert it. Not required this. Okay. Okay. So that address is of the Go button is kept out here. If you want to keep it in the local script, you can keep it in the variable section. Add it to the variable section out here or here. I've kept it globally. Execute the script and then we have to give a delay because the page will change. I'll give a 10 seconds delay out here. Now let's say it is executing or not. See, by JavaScript it is doing. It should click on the glow button, which is not happening now. So that area has to be checked. So we have used argument of 0. Argument is a property at index number 0 dot click, and you have to give the address of the Go button. That is what you have given. But still it is not working. If I give the address directly, list of okay. Execute JavaScript. That also can be given as list, right? Test data value property. Property. Method call. No, no, no. Script is in string part. Parameter types. No, no. Global variable address go. The global variable defined. Now to initiate the click method. Execute JavaScript. Okay, alert तो हो गया, that is fine. Okay, so this has to go. Let me go to the script mode of this. Global variable is not working. So what they are saying is put out here the web element. Copy this. UI dot find test object, and your test object is present out here. Go button, right? This is the whole. Wait for 30 seconds and execute JavaScript. You can remove this. Add the next argument as array as list of element. Okay. This element, this is the address. I'll call this as the address of Go. And this is where you're keeping it. Save it. Just go to the manual mode. You're keeping the binary mode, binary statement. Okay, and this is how you're giving it. Variable is address Go. Operator is equal to. Write expression is a method called, and this is the method call. There is something called as binary statement out here. If you go, what is that? Keyword execute browser. Built-in keywords, no. There has to be something called as 1 minute. I'll remove this, then you will understand. Yeah. In utilities, custom keyword utility binary statement. This is what is being used, and you can see that one particular thing, the binary statement takes a variable. Left expression is a variable. So you have to take the value type as variable. Then you give the value of the variable, name of the variable, then operator equal to, address is equal to, and then the right expression is a method call, and this is the method call. So object type variable, object is web UI, find element. This is how you need to make. So now it should work. So let's run this. Let's run it from scratch. Return type of find element is a web element. The compilation error happening. Let's run this. Okay, it's working now. Fine. So let's save this. Yeah, let's run this now. Should work. JavaScript typing should click there now. How did it say it is working fine? Where did it execute? Inspect. Doesn't have an ID, you can see that. It says that it has executed. Log viewer also is fine. Let's run it once more on Firefox. No execution. Not working fine. Let's go to the script mode out here. Hmm. Method call. Directly give the address out here. Error out here. Address of go operator. Okay, right now I will insert before this the click method. Let me see that later on. Click method on this particular element. Then we'll see later on. Delay of 10 seconds. This will work, I know that. So I'll go manually. I'll create an alert out here, JavaScript alert that we're in the landing page. We're in the inbox page. So delay of 15 seconds is more than enough. Okay, and then I can give add and execute JavaScript. JavaScript will be alert. Welcome to landing page. And we have to handle this alert. So I have a delay of 3 seconds. And then you can go out here and find it. How to handle alert handle, accept alert. Use it out here. Accept the alert. This will accept the alert, whatever comes. This will accept the alert, and after that, what is this first? Accept the alert, then have a delay. Delay of 3 seconds. And what we can do is, if we are going inside this, we can get the URL of this page, this URL by JavaScript. So I'll show you that. Meta to string. Hmm. We have to create a custom function for this. So where's the code? Document.url. URL is a property returning a string value which will be converted to string and put to a string variable. Copy this. To string converted to a string variable and then print it out. Make this as a keyword. Where are the others? Calendar helper. Println. Crazy or what? Give me web UI dot. We'll use our own. So web UI dot. What has happened? This tool has a lot of fallacies. Problem with this tool. Maybe I dot get text. And this will also not be taken the public class public void URL return as the function name. Copy. This is empty document dot get by ID. What is this? URL of the site is val JavaScript. Public void URL return. Let me open it once more. Gone mad, I think. This has a lot of bugs, this particular version. At the rate keyword. Groovy invalid constructor format remove. Where is this gonna remove word as a return type if you want to? Oh, the name is same. That's why shit. Now it is fine. The class name cannot be the same as the method name. Okay, web UI dot execute JavaScript. First is this right return URL. Let this be equal to none. Dot to string. Return type is a string. URL and println URL. This is the first keyword that I want to create. Another keyword is for returning the URL and returning the title of the page. Same will come into force. So another keyword I can create. I copy this. Execute JavaScript you have to use. For getting the title you have to use return document.title. Convert it to string and print out the title. Call this as page title, page URL, and one more keyword you can create is as a keyword driven navigate page. For navigating page we can use windows.location. I want to navigate to the same page. Window classes location property. So I can use this. Sorry, copy this. Don't have to print anything. Just use windows.location property. You don't have to convert it to a string and all. Okay, and one more thing, I can implement the click also out here. Click on element with the JavaScript, for which we need to use the web element address, and the address will come from here. address, and the address should come from what do we generally use? Maybe UI dot UI dot find object, right? Katalon. What find web element. Web UI. And the object is present out here in object repository. This address can be passed out here. Let us see, I don't know. In import this. Then it should work. 727. Address is kept out here. Later, this is the address of the go button only. So probably what we need to do is that we need to keep the address somewhere. Sorry. Can we create a global variable? Dot. How do we call a global variable? Okay, at this point of time, let it be like this. Let's see it is working or not. Save it. And I can use this in your ready mail. So I'll go to this accept alert, and then I have to add a custom keyword, and the custom keyword will be page URL, then delay, we'll use again a custom keyword, nothing but your page title, then delay, and if you understand it, there is a logout. Can I get the logouts? Let's see it works or not. I do not know. JavaScript new folder inbox page. So this address I will go and keep it to the custom keyword. Where is that URL? Let me see if I can use it out here. Log out and then a delay. And there is a custom keyword for navigation also to a different page. Navigate. Let's see it is working or not. It doesn't click on the go button. Maximize, execute, and then I think we should give a delay after this. Why doesn't it click on the go button? I've used a simple click method. Alert is getting created. Welcome to the landing page. And this should be welcome to the inbox page actually. So it doesn't click out here. What's the problem? Different. Different XPath. JavaScript is working here. Here also. It has clicked now. Welcome to landing page should come. Inbox page. It has handled that. Will it click on logout? It has not logged out. Field where 48. Here it has failed. This is not able to click for some reason or the other. What I can do is this array as but if you look at one particular thing in the console, has it got the URL and all? It has got the URL. It has got the title. It has got the URL and title. After that, it is supposed to navigate. It is failing at logout. The click procedure is a failure somehow. So instead of that, if I have a simple right now click procedure in which I will not use a custom keyword, page URL, page title, click element JavaScript. I have to remove this. And before this, I have to put click on this link, which is given by JavaScript inbox page logout. I'll see if JavaScript basically works with the click or not in Katalon. It works in Java. And this is your navigating to another page, and the page it is going to navigate is rediff.com. Okay. So it will navigate to rediff.com. At least that part we can see. Click is only a problem I'm seeing with JavaScript. Else are working. You're getting the URL, you are getting the page title. It will also navigate to in rediff.com. You can check it out. It is typing. The click is only a problem. I'll check it out. This click is a problem with JavaScript. That's why I've used Katalon keyword. Alert is also created and it is also handling the alert. It will handle the alert. It will get the URL, title, everything. It should click on logout. It will navigate to rediff.com now. Yeah, it has navigated to rediff.com also by JavaScript only. Okay. The only thing which is not having is click by the JavaScript. That I will check it out. Any questions?
No, Kaushik.
Okay. Thanks. Have you got all the videos and all?
Yeah, we have received everything.
Okay, I will tell her to send this video and I'll send you the script also.
Okay.